We are pleased to show you the 2015 Buick Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, sunroof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, daytime running lights, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.